To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to remove the two screws from the bottom of your iPhone 4S. Press down on the back of your iPhone while sliding the cover upward as shown. Lift off the back cover. Remove the two screws as shown, being careful to set aside the copper grounding plate. Gently remove the original battery from the adhesive holding it in place. Detach the battery connector and lift out the battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your iPhone 4S. Position the battery and reattach the connector. Carefully position the copper grounding plate and screw into place. Replace the remaining connector screw. Replace the back cover and slide into place as shown. Replace the two screws securing the back cover. Turn on your Apple iPhone 4S with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your iPhone 4S should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.